Hi guys, I'm working on reinforcement learning algorithm. I did some improvement in the code. Also I added a new feature. For example, I added this feature. This is slider and you could select the number of bars. What would you like to analyze? In this case, analyze 15 bars and to make some decision. And you see it's working fine. We optimized the best solution using reinforcement learning. It's like profit line. You see, this is some decision. Red it means sell, green it means buy, and sometimes you should wait. Okay, and you see this is some green. This is green line. Is the improvement is like our profit, and if I see some stable profit, it means reinforcement learning algorithm find some solution and we could use this one. This is a recommendation from reinforcement learning algorithm. This is sliders to analyze number of bars, but in general I used last 200 bars in the charts to analyze this one. And we split this data set into 15 bars like a window, and we create some feature to analyze this data using reinforcement learning algorithm to make decision. This is a reward function, and you see we have some reward. For example, when we have the first epoch, when we run this algorithm, reinforcement learning algorithm couldn't find some best solution, but for example, after 20 rewards, we get 10,000 rewards, and this reward is stability. It means we find some dependencies between 15 bars, and we could use this to trade. So I'm going to implement a new feature like trading in real time. For example, let's look on the console. I need to analyze some data. For example, when I run this algorithm, I trade 5 minutes bar, and I have 5 elements. It means 25 minutes. For example, for this situation, 2 it means sell, 1 it means hold, and 0 it means situation for buy. And I'm going to implement this table, this data into table to display decision of reinforcement learning algorithm in real time. For example, where you see we have, for example, 10 minutes. It means we create new trade because we're going to trade every 5 minutes. For example, if you have the same signal, we should wait, but in this case we find that we should make a sell signal. Okay, and we have some train. It means reward function. If reward function is big, it means we could create a trade because we find some relationship. If you find some negative reward function when we start this training process, we should wait. But if we find some relationship, we should create trade. Okay, this is the price. And what else? So I'm going to implement this table into charts, and we could trade Bitcoin or another coin. We should select this coin. We should select for example 1 hour or period or 1 day. It depends of your opportunity, what would you like. So guys, I'm going to test it. I'm going to improve this one. I'm going to add new data to reinforcement learning algorithm, because using this web platform I collect multiply of data. It means some social data, from the Twitter. I'm also, let's look in. I need localhost, okay, but I need to open this window on another monitor. Okay. Let's look in. Okay. Because I'm trade a multiply of data like Twitter data, I'm collect some useful data using this one. For example, let's see some polarity index. Would update some open interest and some short rate volume. Next, I used transaction between wallet. Also, I used some dependency between graph. I mean dependency from here, you see, and I did research and I find some relationship when we have positive disbalance between wallet and exchange, and you could use this feature to improve reinforcement learning algorithm. It's too many work, it takes some times, but I'm going to implement these all ideas. So guys, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye.